Good morning everybody. Today we have an Acer laptop. It's a 5830TG with i5 processor, second gen 2.4 GHz, and which can be boosted up to 3.0 GHz of speed. It does have an NVIDIA GeForce graphics card that's GT540M and has a 3 GB of DDR3 memory and a 500 GB of hard disk. So today I'll go ahead and show you how to upgrade this. The motherboard in this particular laptop supports up to 16 GB of DDR3 memory, but Acer actually recommends up to 8 GB. We'll see whether we will upgrade it to 8 GB or 16 GB. So let's get started. These are the two modules from Crucial. These are 8 GB each with 1600 megahertz. I'll put the links in the description of the memory that I have bought, and I went ahead with an ADATA SU650 drive. It's a 120 GB. Not much of space, but I still want to see what this particular laptop is capable of if we upgrade it to a 16 GB RAM and SSD. So let me flip it over. I'll use this particular memory module to cover up the license key that has come with this particular model, so you won't be seeing it. This is the screw that we need to unscrew. Alright, so you need to pull it backwards, and here is your hard drive, and this is a 2 GB memory stick. Should come right back out. Yep, it's a Kingston 2 GB, and this should be 1 GB. Let's open it up. This is your HDD. And then take the connector out, and you need to take this socket out that will handle your SSD. So we'll go ahead and do that. Lift this up. Lift this up. Alright, we'll keep it here, and we'll keep them here, and we'll put this on this. So this is how it. So yep. Okay, put the screws back on. Alright, this is done, and this will go right here. Make sure to not tighten them too much. So this is the fourth one. There it goes. Okay. This is done. Yep. Let's put it here. Right. Push on it. Settle in there. Alright. So we'll put both the RAM sticks. So these are both 8 GB. I'll put the link in the description, and the link of the screwdriver you need to use. Well, this is it. So now, since we have put in a new SSD, we will first install Windows, because this particular model has come with a Windows 7 Home Premium. So we'll install a Windows 7 Professional on this, and then we'll go ahead. I'll show you how to upgrade it to Windows 10. Primarily Windows 10 shouldn't activate, since the activation has been stopped. The Windows 10 won't activate, you need to have a key, but I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and turn this on. The USB is connected. It's booting up right now, as you can see. Yep, loading Windows files from the USB. Okay, so let's click next. Install now. The Windows 7 source pack 1. Customize, and this is our SSD. Click on next. It should auto format it and create the logical drives. And now copying Windows files. Yep. See how fast it moves. Okay, 1%. Shouldn't take that much of time. Okay, yeah, it's going along. Right, I'll pause this video and let it continue. Alright, it's at 98%, 99. Okay, installing updates. Let's go ahead and restart. Let's see how fast it boots. Alright, type the username, hello. Click on next or hit enter. So we'll skip that for now. Ask me later. And click on next. Okay, this needs to be activated. Alright, so we are activating Windows 7. I have put in the keys. And let's see. Right, activated. So the updates have finished installing. We will go ahead and restart again. I'll be back in a moment. Alright, so it's back on. Configuring Windows. %, complete. So we'll put in the password. So Windows is activated. This is Windows 7 Professional, and we'll go ahead and update it to Windows 10 Professional. Alright, extracted quite fast. So let's turn this off. Otherwise it will search for updates and take some more time. Not right now. So this is checking if we have enough space. Yeah, we have 53.6 GBs. The battery has gone bad on this. I need to change that. Making sure we have enough space and there aren't any programs that need to be uninstalled or are not compatible with Windows 10. That is the default setup, how the update setup goes. Okay, now to check the space. Okay, install. Alright, so it just finished and it's going to restart. Working on updating Windows 7 to Windows 10. Looks like it's going to take a bit of time, so I'll pause this video and be right back once it is near the completion. Alright, it just restarted. Working on updates, still at 30% right now. Restarted again. Right, almost near completion, 95%, 97%. Click on use extra settings. Alright guys, so Windows 10 is installed. So if you go here, check Windows 10 is activated. So how did it do that? So the trick to that is you need to have an old version of Windows 10. So once you have an old version that was allowed to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10, it will automatically activate. So once that is done, you can go to update and search for more updates, and you should be able to get the latest updates that are available on Windows Store. Alright guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit a like. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.